metro. This is how you cross over. Check it out, Dubai Metro is literally like airport, actually better than airports. It goes all the way. There's lengths of this, by the way, before we get to our destination. Dubai Mall. So we're at Dubai Mall. Come for a quick munch.
Guys, we're going to be grabbing something very very quick to eat here. Oh,
And then the shrimp again.
so good.
Nice spicy prawns, shrimps, beef, look at them green chilies, noodles, rice, spring roll. You have,
Exactly
oh
the
look at
same.
them red chilies with chicken.
However, with chicken.
Again shrimp, noodles, rice and
What is this?
look at this, this is a bao, steamed bao, crispy butterfly shrimp in a steamed bun, bao, and it's from PANDA. So it's a PANDA bao, look how cushiony that is. Alright, taste test, can't wait. Yeah, I like it spicy, and I need it spicy. You know me, get a bit of soy in there as well.
Oh,
Look, now let's go for a bite. It's prawn, by the way, butterfly prawn.
oh, it looks
Look
so
at how
good.
cushiony that is, it's so cute.
It's like spongy.
Oh, look at the inside of that.
Oh,
The shrimp is cooked to perfection. Amazing. I should have got one more of these.
we'll grab another one.
We're in Dubai Mall, so we're just come to a food court.
So we will feel
Plenty
in
of great
Chinese,
options
guys.
And I'm gonna have to say, the taste test for you, but it's amazing. Chinese today.
Oh, I feel like I could taste that, by the way.
That crunch on the prawn. They cooked it the right amount that it needs to be. Get that beef.
Gosh, did it have a kick? Was it hot?
It is spicy. But look, I'm getting green chili on this one. And then I'm going with the noodles.
Gosh, RJ is making me hungry right now.
Oh my god. And jump onto the chicken. Let's get one of these red chilies. Yeah?
Yep.
Can you see in the camera? Alright.
I'm just going to zoom into this again.
On this occasion,
The pile of chilies.
get a bit of soy on there. Put a bit of soy on there. Spice it up a bit more.
Guys, we need a kick today.
After that rush,
Was it good? Was it good?
you know what?
Dunking the spring roll, RJ. Just do
I
it.
honestly want to say one of them is better than the others, but no way.
Are they all just as good? Okay.
It was nice. We wanted
RJ.
to try different types of food, and we wanted to try in different places. So we're showing you some nice restaurants. We're showing you food courts.
Casual places as well.
Old Dubai, where you've got the hut style, old school village style restaurants. Really nice variety, because Dubai is not only that glam. You want to taste flavours, and you've got to go to different places for different flavours.